When most people think about starting a career, they believe there are only two choices: go to college or get a job. But there's a third option that millions of people overlook: an apprenticeship. Imagine getting paid while you learn. Instead of graduating with tens of thousands of dollars in student loans, you're earning a paycheck from day one. You're learning from experienced professionals, building real-world skills, and working toward a career that can eventually pay six figures. That's exactly how apprenticeships work. They're one of the best ways to enter skilled trades, manufacturing, healthcare, and even some technology careers. But many people don't understand what an apprenticeship actually is. How much do apprentices get paid? How long do apprenticeships last? Do you need experience before applying? And are apprenticeships really worth it? Today we're breaking down how apprenticeships actually work in simple terms. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. An apprenticeship is a structured training program where you learn a skilled profession while working for an employer. Instead of spending all your time in a classroom, you're learning on the job. You're working alongside experienced professionals. You're gaining hands-on experience, and you're earning a paycheck while you learn. Think of it as getting paid to go to school. But instead of lectures all day, you're learning by actually doing the work. Most apprenticeships combine classroom instruction with paid work experience. That's what makes them different from many traditional education programs. Here's a simple example. Let's say you want to become an electrician. Instead of immediately becoming a licensed electrician, you begin as an apprentice. Your employer pairs you with experienced electricians. Every day you help install electrical systems, run conduit, pull wire, read blueprints, learn safety procedures, and gradually take on more responsibility. At the same time, you attend classroom training where you learn electrical theory, building codes, mathematics, and safety regulations. As your skills improve, your responsibilities grow. So does your pay. Eventually, after completing the required training and work hours, you become a licensed journeyman electrician. That's the basic apprenticeship model. Many people think apprenticeships only exist for electricians. Not true. Apprenticeships are available in dozens of industries. Some of the most common include electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, pipe fitters, welders, iron workers, carpenters, millwrights, heavy equipment operators, power line workers, industrial maintenance technicians, elevator technicians, aircraft maintenance, manufacturing, cybersecurity, information technology, healthcare. Even some financial and business careers now offer apprenticeship programs. The number of apprenticeship opportunities continues growing every year. This is one of the biggest advantages. Yes, apprentices get paid. Unlike traditional college students who often pay tuition, apprentices usually receive wages while they train. Starting pay varies depending on the industry, employer, and location. As your skills improve, your wages increase. Many apprenticeship programs include scheduled raises every 6 months or every year. By the time many apprentices complete their programs, they're already earning strong salaries without carrying massive student loan debt. That's one reason apprenticeships have become increasingly attractive. Most apprenticeships last between 2 and 5 years. That might sound like a long time, but remember, you're working, you're getting paid, and you're gaining valuable experience the entire time. Think about someone attending a 4-year college. They're spending money. An apprentice is often earning money during that same period. By graduation, many apprentices already have years of experience and little or no educational debt. By graduation, many apprentices already have years of experience and little or no educational debt. Here's some good news. Most apprenticeship programs don't expect you to know everything before you apply. That's the whole point. You're there to learn. Employers usually look for qualities like a strong work ethic, reliability, good attendance, willingness to learn, positive attitude, basic math skills, mechanical aptitude, and the ability to follow instructions. Many employers would rather hire someone eager to learn than someone who thinks they already know everything. Another question people ask is whether union apprenticeships are better than non-union apprenticeships. The answer depends on your goals. Union apprenticeships often include structured training, excellent benefits, retirement plans, higher wages, strong safety standards, clear advancement paths. Non-union apprenticeships may offer greater flexibility, different career opportunities, faster promotions, or different work environments. Both paths can lead to successful careers. Research the opportunities available in your area before making a decision. Completing an apprenticeship isn't the end. It's actually the beginning. Many apprentices become journeymen. From there, opportunities continue growing. Lead technician, foreman, supervisor, project manager, estimator, operations manager, business owner, instructor, consultant. Many people eventually start their own companies after years of experience. The apprenticeship simply provides the foundation. Let's talk about income. Apprentice wages vary significantly depending on the trade and location. Many apprentices begin earning around $40,000 to $60,000 annually while training. Experienced journeymen often earn between $70,000 and $100,000. Specialized trades, union positions, industrial work, and overtime opportunities can push earnings well beyond six figures. Some experienced tradespeople earn $150,000 or more, especially in high-demand industries. One of the biggest misconceptions is that apprenticeships are only for people who aren't smart enough for college. That simply isn't true. Modern skilled trades require technical knowledge, problem solving, mathematics, computer systems, blueprint reading, safety regulations, communication, and continuous learning. Today's trades are highly skilled professions. Many require advanced diagnostic equipment and sophisticated technology. These careers demand intelligence just as much as many office jobs. Today's trades are highly skilled professions. Many require advanced diagnostic equipment and sophisticated technology. These careers demand intelligence just as much as many office jobs. Let's be honest, apprenticeships aren't easy. You'll work hard, you'll make mistakes, you'll be expected to learn quickly. Some work is physically demanding. Some environments are hot, cold, noisy, or outdoors. Early mornings are common. Safety is critical. You'll also balance classroom instruction with full-time work. It's challenging, but that's also what makes the experience valuable. Several factors are driving apprenticeship growth. Many experienced tradespeople are retiring. Construction continues expanding. Manufacturing needs skilled workers. Infrastructure projects are increasing. Technology has changed skilled trades, and employers need trained workers. At the same time, more people are questioning whether traditional college is always the best option. Apprenticeships offer another path, one that combines education, experience, and income at the same time. At the same time, more people are questioning whether traditional college is always the best option. Apprenticeships offer another path, one that combines education, experience, and income at the same time. An apprenticeship isn't right for everyone, but it's an excellent option for people who enjoy working with their hands, like solving problems, want to avoid student loan debt, prefer learning by doing, enjoy teamwork, want stable careers, and are willing to work hard. Many successful tradespeople say they couldn't imagine sitting behind a desk every day. If that sounds like you, an apprenticeship deserves serious consideration. So, are apprenticeships worth it? For many people, absolutely. You earn while you learn. Gain real-world experience, develop valuable skills, build professional relationships, avoid massive student loans, and enter careers with excellent long-term demand. It's not the easiest path, but it can be one of the smartest financial decisions you'll ever make. College isn't the only path to success. Apprenticeships prove that every single day. They allow people to build meaningful careers while earning an income and gaining practical experience. Whether you're interested in electrical work, plumbing, HVAC, manufacturing, aviation, construction, or another skilled trade, apprenticeships provide an opportunity to learn from experienced professionals while building a rewarding future. For many people, they represent one of the best career investments available today. Now I'd like to hear from you. Would you choose an apprenticeship over a traditional four-year college degree? Leave a comment below and tell me why. And if you're interested in skilled trades, healthcare careers, technology careers, finance careers, salary breakdowns, and career advice, make sure you subscribe to Career Decode. Every week we break down real careers, real salaries, and real opportunities to help you choose the path that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.